The advertising program here at Newhouse is one of the top ranked in the country. We are known for our strong integration between strategy and creativity. Our program balances a really foundational and theoretical understanding of advertising with hands-on experiences, and our students can expect to learn a full range of skills, including advertising strategy, media strategy and planning, digital analytics, creative storytelling, and brand storytelling.
In the advertising major, there are two areas to explore. One is creative and one is strategy. In the creative part, that's all about creating weird, crazy ideas about how to create experiences or an ad campaign. One thing that makes our advertising program unique is that we win a ton of awards. One of those was the Cannes Future Lion Grand Prix. They had entries from 245 schools from 59 countries, and they had 4 overall winners, and from those 4 overall winners, there was 1 Grand Prix winner, our students.
Through the advertising program, I've really learned how to be face-to-face with a lot of other people in a room, which is something I struggled with prior. And I've also learned very strong visual communication skills, and I've been able to learn softwares for the strategy side, which I'm not pursuing in my career, but give me a good understanding of what goes on before the creative strategy happens.
I think the program does a great job helping you choose your path in this industry by giving you so many different opportunities to try everything. I've tried being a copywriter, I've tried being a strategist, a media planner, and I found that art direction is kind of the calling for me. I love doing graphic design, all things related to scripting for commercials, anything that has to do with being creative.
Most people think of advertising as the ads that you see on TV or the ads that you see in magazines and billboards, and that is absolutely part of it. But then behind the scene is all the strategy side, understanding consumers, understanding their needs, their priorities, their lifestyle, their behavior, and then connecting them with the brand so that they can tell a beautiful story about their brand and what they sell.
My advertising capstone project this semester is for Vermont Teddy Bear, which is a teddy bear factory in Shelburne, Vermont. And my team was tasked with increasing tourism to the actual factory. So we're going through an entire project through our capstone to kind of rebrand the tour and make it a more whimsical and magical experience. Getting to work with an actual client is an experience that's very valuable.
We have this fantastic, huge portfolio review. It's online and we connect you with about 35 different ad agencies.
In that, you got to meet with all different kinds of people in the field, and they reviewed your portfolio and kind of gave you advice on how to present it, what you can change, what you could do better, and what they really loved. That's definitely helpful when I'm going into interviews now, being able to have a backbone and experience of presenting it prior. With the experiences I've had at Newhouse, I can definitely say that I feel well prepared for the advertising industry. I love advertising because it is a very creative way to kind of express who you are, but also learn who a brand is and be able to put your own spin on it. And it's a new adventure every day.